The use of modules allows us to move small pieces of content to different places on the page without touching HTML. In this video, we will move modules to different positions and do some module configuration. First, let's go to the Module Manager. Under Extensions, Module Manager. Here we have the Hours module that we created in the previous video. Let's open it up and do some editing. First, let's move this module to the right-hand position and click Apply. Now that we're in the front end, let's click Refresh. Now Hours move to the right-hand side of the page underneath the Ingredients menu. Let's go back to the back end. We can also customize this module to hide the title if we don't want to show the title of the module. So let's click No on Show Title and click Apply. Back in the front end, when we click Refresh, the title of the module disappears. Let's go back to the back end. We actually want to show the title on this module, so set it back to Yes. Now what we'd like to do is reorder this module. We want to move it above the Ingredients menu. So click the drop-down for Order and select Ingredients. Then click Apply. Let's go back to the front end and click Refresh. Now the module appears again, and now it's above Ingredients. Let's go to the back end. If we wanted to, we could restrict access to this module. If we only wanted registered users who are logged into the front end of the website to see this module, we could set the access level to registered. However, we want this module to be visible by everyone, so we're going to set it to public. Now let's click Save. We moved the Hours module from the left-hand side of the page to the right-hand side, but there are some other positions that we could use for it. We're going to go to the Template Manager to see what these positions are. Go to Extensions, Template Manager. The Template Manager shows all the templates currently installed in the system. Templates are responsible for the look and feel of our website, along with the different module positions that are available for use. We'll be covering more about templates in a later video. At the moment, this template is the one that's chosen as our default. It's the one that's displaying in the front end. Let's open it up. This screen shows a little bit about the template. It has some details and it has some parameters that we could set. But for the moment, we're happy with everything. We really just want to preview the template and show the positions. So let's click Preview. Let's scroll down to see the rest of the template. The template is being displayed just as you would see it on the front end, only with the different module positions layered on top. We see the left module position with our menu, the right module position with the Hours and the Ingredients menu, and then we also see several unused module positions that are available and ready for other modules. We'll be adding more modules to the site later, and we'll be using these positions. For now, let's go back to the Module Manager. Once content is in module form, we can move it to different positions around the page that you can preview in the Template Manager. Modules can be ordered within a position, the module title can be hidden, and the module can be restricted to be displayed only to privileged users. We would like to add a listing of our hours to this website, but we want to display them on every page. In this video, we'll create a module to display the hours as a sidebar. To add the sidebar, we first need to go to the Module Manager. Go to Extensions, Module Manager. Here we see the two menus that have been entered into the database beforehand. Now we're going to enter our sidebar. Click New. There's a list of about 20 or so modules available. Let's select Custom HTML. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. In this box, we can add anything we want. I've already prepared some content, so I'm going to paste it here. I want to make the days of the week stand out in this content, so I'm going to set the days as bold. To do this, I'm going to select the text and then click the bold button. Finally, we need to add a title to this sidebar. Let's go back up to the top of the page. In the title box, enter Hours. Now click Save. Now let's go back to the front end to see where these hours ended up. Click Refresh. And now the hours display just beneath the main menu. These hours are in a module, and we can move this around wherever we want and repurpose it throughout the site. We'll be getting into some of the options we can set for this module in a later video. Joomla allows us to use modules as a way to add small pieces of content site-wide.